Good morning, referral partners and visitors. Today I am going to share my presentation entitled Building the Future, Unleashing Power Through Custom Computer Assembly. Maraming way and theory sa pagbibuild ng personal computers, but now I want it more simple at mas gusto ko mas madaling natin maintindihan. I want to focus on the basic aspect of computer building. What do you want to build? How much is your budget? What hardware parts we will need? What do you want to build? Saan ba natin gagamitin and anong specific workload? Office paperworks, editing and rendering, gaming and streaming, or just surfing the internet? The next is how much is your budget? Since memory and storage take a large part of the cost of a new computer, building custom computer gives you the flexibility to save on these components if you wish. While RAM and SSD cost will depend on gigabytes. They can be less expensive than buying pre-installed components that are often inadequate and need to be upgraded quickly. Next is what hardware parts we will need. Medyo critical sa part na to. We need to have full knowledge about parts compatibility para hindi masayang ang budget at oras natin. At syempre para hindi din madamage yung parts natin. There are five areas of hardwares you'll need to know for a computer build. Those are processor, central processing unit, motherboard, memory or RAM, SSD, case, fans, and power supply. Kailangan natin pag-isipan kung anong processor ang gusto natin gamitin. Bigyan ko kayo ng konting tips. If you are into fast computing and stable calculation, such as video editing and rendering, we'll go for Intel chipset. But if you are into gaming, streaming, and higher frame rate, doon tayo sa AMD chipset. Next is the motherboard. There are so many motherboards out in the market today. May mahal, may mura, at may mapapamura ka sa mahal. Pero we need to understand that the more expensive yung parts, the more reliable at efficient ang work. Sometimes matatanong mo, bakit ang mahal sobra ng motherboard na yun? Ay pareho lang naman sila ng socket at chipset. Always remember, pag mas mahal, it means mas maganda yung quality. Mas maganda siya gamitin at mas mapapabilis ang pag-process ng workload natin. And again, we need to consider the compatibility ng processor at motherboard. If we will use Intel chipset, we need to pair it with compatible motherboard for Intel. And we must take note, what generation of Intel processor ang need natin. Then sa memory naman, we are all using the standard DDR4, then sa mga bagong generation ngayon is DDR5 na. And again, compatibility is a must. Baka socket 1151 lang or AM4 ang chipset, DDR5 ang makuha nyo. Please take note on that. Storage is much easy to choose or assess with. Siguro alam na nyo kung anong type ng storage. HDD, hard disk drive, SSD, solid state drive, at yung bago ngayon na NVMe, non-volatile memory express. Please take note that yung HDD at SSD ay pwede nating magamit as usual disk storage. But yung NVMe, we need to choose motherboard na may NVMe slot. Among the three storage that I mentioned, mas mabilis ang response ng SSD at NVMe kaysa sa conventional hard disk, kaya alam na, upgrade na tayo. And the last is the case, fan, and power supply. Regarding sa case, we need to consider kung aesthetic ba or simple lang. Remember, we need to have more room sa case natin. Sa CPU cooler, sa fan na gagamitin natin. Remember yung last topic ko, we need to keep our laptop and computers to be cooled down. Kaya mas malaki ang case, mas madaling linisin at mas madaling palamigin. We suggest mag-mid or full tower case na lang tayo. Sa mga fans, maraming mura kaya no worries, pwede kong i-free yun. Sa power supply naman, we need to consider the power that we are using and ilang oras natin ito ginagamit para malaman natin kung ilang watts ang kailangan natin i-stable. Here are some of our clients' feedback.
Good day po everyone, I'm Architect James Tepase at bilang isang arkitekto po, sobrang important po sa amin ang mga laptop at mga PC dahil yan po yung aming tools para makapag-create kami ng mga design at makapagplano kami ng mas mabilis. So dahil po importante sa amin yung aming mga tools, sobrang importante rin po sa amin na meron kaming kapartner na reliable at honest kapag nangangailangan kami ng mga repair at saka maintenance. So, ang aming matagal ng kasama sa trabaho na si Blessis Gadget Solution ay sobrang reliable kapag nangangailangan kami ng tulong, especially sa pag-maintain or mga repair. Kasi honest sila magbigay ng review, at totoo yung mga recommendations nila, at reasonable yung mga price na hinihingi po nila. At higit po sa lahat talaga, madali po sila kausap. Yun po yung aming nagustuhan talaga sa Blessis Gadget Solution. So, kung sino man po ang makailangan ng repair, ng maintenance, or ng upgrade ng inyong mga PC, ng inyong mga laptop, tawagan nyo lang po ang Blessis Gadget Solution. Sila po ay maaasahan po lang. Salamat po.
And to wrap up, the difference between custom build and the one that is pre-built in the market is pag custom build po, saktong-sakto na sa workload, no need na nating mag-upgrade. Please connect me to engineers, architects, and offices, and I will leave you with this quote. Cost is an issue when the value is not perceived. If you have questions, always remember I'm just one message away. Thank you so much.